Morning everybody, it's Logan with Florida Roof and Solar Contractors. Was called out here. It's a beautiful home, large roof, large pitch. Was called out for a repair. She has two pre-existing leaks that were done and repaired already in the past, but now she's noticing a new one in her dining room, which is actually on the other side of the house. I got over there, I did already pretty much walk the whole roof. Did our full, in-depth certified inspection. Let's take you through a little bit of it. Just got up on the ladder over there. First noticed some pretty severe damage, wind or something came across, probably some trees. Age of the roof, around 15, almost 20 years. So just the age alone in the sun. We have 30-year architectural shingles, but minus the sun exposure, you're actually brittle down to 20 years probably just in the Florida sun, the extreme weather that we get, all the rain. So the shingles themselves, you can tell there's definitely some gloss to them already with the fiberglass showing all the granule loss. We have reports of hail, so that's one of the indicators that I was looking for, and that's it there, you can see it there. But also after inspection, there's at least 20 to 30 nail pops all throughout. All these could cause a leak. You got hail there, hail. All these can cause a leak over time, if not immediately, depending on where the nail is and all the wood decking and underlayment. But did the whole inspection. As per Florida building code, if we can't repair or replace with like material, especially for the street side and the line of sight, all these spots essentially need to get replaced. But if we can't match it, actually Florida building code states that you have to replace the entire section with like material and color. That's going for this homeowner in her homeowner's insurance policy. All she has to pay is her low deductible. Major spot with multiple nails. I haven't been in the attic yet. I'm definitely going to ask her just to confirm that there's no other leaks. As you can see here, you can see the amount of hits from hail in circles. Florida codes say that the 25% of the section of the roof of the entire structure is actually damaged. You have to replace the entire structure, not just that 25% portion. So as you can see on the back side, I didn't mark all of it. That's not my job. I'm just the initial to see what kind of damage there is, but this is just covered in hail. So I take these videos, and present them to the homeowner and let them choose, kind of steer them in the right direction. We pay our homeowners insurance for years and years and thousands of dollars, and I got many customers that just say, well, I've never submitted a claim, and I don't know, and that's where we step in and we assist with all of that. Don't feel like you're going to be hounded with paperwork and whatnot. And that's where we come in. We're HAG certified, internationally certified. We're very good at what we do in assisting homeowners in their claim process. But I'm definitely going to talk to her and see what kind of policy she has, take a look at it and see what her deductible is. In most cases, not being a named storm, just storm damage in general, you're talking $500 to $1,000 for a whole new roof. That's protecting her #1 asset. So that estimate retail, if she was to replace this on her own, you're probably talking $25,000 to $30,000, and then just the repairs alone to repair all those spots. It's just the age and the brittleness. It would just cause more damage than what it would be worth. So let's go talk to her and see what we can do for her. Again, this is Logan with Florida Roof and Solar Contractors. If you need your inspection done on your roof, or if you want to save money by installing solar energy on your home, give us a call. Look us up, www.FLRSC. This is Logan, signing out. Thank you.